So let's dive into the new 3D particle effect in Node Video Editor, also known as the 3D ball action. This particle effect type allows you to create dynamic abstract animations that are often used in motion graphics, just like in Adobe After Effects. So to get started, go to the Effect Properties and select 3D. There you'll find the ball action particle effect. Starting with the shape option, you can play around with the types to choose the form your particle effect takes. Tweaking the scatter option lets you control the animation display. And by adjusting the ball size, you can control the size of the particle effect. You can also tweak the angle setting to change the perspective of the ball particles in motion. And the rotation option gives you control to rotate the entire particle effect. The grid spacing option controls the space between ball particles. Reducing the value makes the particles appear smaller, and while increasing it makes them appear larger and more spaced out. The scatter settings also allow you to control the direction and randomness of the particle spread. And there are plenty additional settings to explore for a more precise control over the particle effect. And that includes the material property, which lets you customize the look and appearance of the ball particles. So now, let's create a simple particle animation. I'll start by adjusting the initial appearance of the ball particles, and then add keyframes to the scatter options to animate the particles. So depending on your device's capabilities, you might experience some lag during playback if the particle amount is too high, so it's best to avoid that. I'll also add keyframes to the twist angle setting to add depth to the animation display. And then, lastly, I added keyframes to the control panel to create a more dynamic motion graphics. And with all the settings and adjustment, here's a playback review. So, thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, kindly give it a like button, and we'll see you next time. Peace.